In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find age from a date in Google Sheets. We're going to use a simple built-in function that calculates exact ages for you and keeps them up to date automatically. No more mental math or manual edits every birthday. Here's the idea. Google Sheets has a function called DATEDIF. It compares two dates and returns the difference in a unit you choose, like years. We'll pair it with today, which always gives the current date, so your ages refresh whenever the sheet recalculates. Start by placing your cursor in the cell where you want the age to appear. Type an equal sign and the function name, DATEDIF. When the function asks for the first date, click the cell that contains the person's birthday, so that becomes the starting point. Next, add a comma and type today with two parentheses, like today. That tells Sheets to compare the birth date to right now. Then add another comma and the letter Y in quotes, like Y. This Y tells Sheets you want the answer in completed years. Close the parenthesis to finish the formula. Your formula should read like this conceptually. DATEDIF, birthday, today, by, Y, psi. The result you see is the person's current age in full years, not rounded or approximate, but calculated precisely up to today. Because you used the today function, you don't have to touch the sheet again when birthdays roll around. The moment the date changes, the math updates automatically. This is especially useful for rosters, HR lists, school records, guest lists, or any report that needs to stay current without maintenance. If you want the result to look extra professional, you can add some text to the end of your formula. After the closing parenthesis, type an ampersand, a space in quotes, and the words years old in quotes, like this. Us, years old. Now, instead of just a number, the cell will display something like 29 years old, which reads nicely in reports and exports. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your birthday cells are true dates and not text that looks like dates. If you see an error, check the cell's number format and your regional date settings. Also, remember that Y gives whole years. That's exactly what you want for age. And that's it. With DATEDIF and Today, you've turned a tricky calculation into a reliable, self-updating solution that looks clean and professional every time you open your spreadsheet.